What's going on YouTube? I'm about to drive my new Jeep SRT. 3.5 hours to go see my buddy. I'm a little locked up and I'm a little late, so let's see how this goes. Keep y'all tuned. Alright, so we on route. Got 3 hours. Not bad, you know what I'm saying? Gotta stop and get gas for a second though. And get a little car wash and then we'll be on the highway, you know what I'm saying? So stay tuned. And we got that radar. Gotta make sure she's full, you know what I'm saying? Oh, she clicking. Not bad. Not bad at all. Never drove this far in the SRT, but let's see if we make it there back. Yeah. About 90. About 2.5 hours.
I'm really upgraded, you don't die, so what you saying, niggas keep it straight like I'm blind with a cane, nigga. I don't bout, we really just changed, nigga. Play ball like I'm in the NBA. When I slide on miss, he was DOA. Know I got good aim. When I did my first game, I bust this brain. Blood now, got the shot to change.
We got en route. 5 speed, so it's loud in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? Got 72 miles just straight. So we've been out here most of the day. I haven't really been recording, but we out here. She's been running good. Nothing's been fucking up. So she's ready to drive well, however long. She's been staying at all temp. She don't feel hot like that. This is that how you know she ain't overheating. You know what I'm saying? If you can hold your hand on this, that's when you know you ain't overheating. You know what I'm saying? She's sexy. To be buying a new bumper, fuck that shit. That's about it though, but I'm just gonna buy a new bumper so I can get rid of these holes. It's nice though. Like I got one of the rarest Jeeps. Jeep SRTs, all fully rebuilt. Head gaskets, SRT block, timing chains, timing belt. Whole 9 yards. Interior pistons, all new pistons, brand new transmission, 100,000 miles, all redid. I'm about to do the Brembo upgrade. Put some red 6 pistons on here. Stay tuned. Y'all ain't ready. Yeah, so far it's been staying at 200. When I'm driving on the highway, it's going at 205. But that's it. No overheating. No, not even 215. Not even fucking around like that. So I'm still on the same tank too. Still got a quarter left. I've been driving around all day. And I'm about 3 hours away. 200 miles, so I gotta fill up before we go, and we're gonna be braking 105,000 miles when we get there. No check engine, 60 degrees, everything okay, oil temp good. Yep. So I went 195 miles for this whole tank so far. I got a quarter left. Not too bad. Pretty shitty. Pretty fucking shitty, not gonna lie. But I still got a little bit of driving to go. Yep, so that's about it. Yep, 200 degrees. She's on. I'm a little phobia. I be opening my hood and shit, let her vent out. I'm trying to buy a hood with the vent, cause this shit's I like when she's breathing. You know, she keeps good temp when she's breathing. Obviously, only what makes sense. So shoot some videos with the hood off soon. Let me know in the comments if you want me to shoot a video with the hood off soon. Alrighty, we are on the way home. Stopping at a gas station real quick, but it was a good time. See how it goes, see how this 3-hour drive goes. Stay tuned. Just got gas, full. About to reset this. See how many miles we get. 242, here we go. Stay tuned.
I'ma pull up, I'ma come through. I record this song and it's right quick. Bet. White boy drunk on wasted. Pop 3X, got my heartbeat racing. Yeah, I'm flying nigga like Lucci. The bitch, you got time that Gucci. These niggas be pussy, they coochie. Claiming they shooters. To get him a 30, he pop out the car, he getting too anxious. Don't give him no thanks when he got his ass, it's way too dangerous. You can't run when we shoot.
Now we're in. Now we're in. I gotta piss. Cruise control going 77.
Hey, go get you some money, 4 times a day. He think he's starting hell with that line face squad. She said she love me, hit her with that line face. They say 'cause I got money, no time waste. I hit her with that, I ain't got time face. I got lots of money, you see it in my your
Just above a quarter tank already gone in about 2 hours.
We got the 30s on us with the big face. I keep the money on my back like a store guy.
I can almost do a gas mileage video on this motherfucker. So we're about almost here. We got about 22 minutes, I'd say. Yeah, what? We at a little under half. So definitely gotta get gas soon, but 3-hour drive, not bad. 16 miles left to go. Can't complain. Fuck it. It's an SRT. Sometimes when I'm driving this bitch, you gotta realize, like, damn, I'm really rocking a big ass V8. All these motherfuckers on this road fucking rocking 4-cylinder, turbo, tops. So, yeah, gotta appreciate it sometimes, you know. So after driving 3 hours, this is the ultimate test to know if your Hemi is overheating. Put your hand right on that hole. And it is just warm. It is not hot. My thing stayed at 205 the whole way here. We don't see people go 220, 215, no. 205, 210 tops, 210 tops. That's when you're racing that hole. Hell yeah, brothers. That's how we do it. Alright, so good morning. It's the next day. I didn't really film a lot out there. I mean, it was a long drive. I mean, I haven't seen my boy in a really long time, so I didn't do too much filming. I'm gonna go out and get some hat clips. I'm gonna go out and get some POV. I'm gonna give you a couple pulls, show you guys what she about. You know what I'm saying? Show you she ain't why they made them track hawks. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna start that collection. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna do a little bit. And yeah, I just gotta go get a little cold start right now. Gotta let out these motherfuckers. So I gotta go outside, right? Right? Yeah, you know what I'm saying? He's like, what's up? Get a little cold start action. got all mid mufflers, all cats, all everything. Let's go. Little POV. So you guys can see what she about. She's a little warm. So I let her warm up for a little bit. About to go to the gym with my brother, get some gains, and then go see my cousin's baby he just had born. He just got a new baby, little baby Violet. And I'm a little late. I always only drive her in manual. I don't drive in fucking regular because the car revs too high for no reason, and it pisses me off. People wouldn't say that because they just like driving automatic, but there's no need to rev for 3,000 RPMs unless you're pushing that bitch. It's 9:20. It's about a 25-minute drive, but I'm about to cut this bitch quick. Driving slow as fuck. Should have passed this mother. I'm passing this motherfucker. Gotta press it. 4,000 RPMs. She gone. Cutting corners, you know what I'm saying? It sounds more aggressive in manual. The shifts and everything. And if you replay that, that was a second gear pull. That was a second gear pull. I didn't even start in first gear. Alright, I need to speed up now. These people are taking way too long. Fun pulling that shit in each gear, you know? Like for real, like you can pull it in each gear, like I can go for right. Or if you really want to play crazy with it, you can go third. fucking up the video. Fuck you, fan. Shit, that shit fucked the downshifts up. What the fuck? I need to fix this fan. This shit bullshit. Those are pulls when you want to take her easy, you know what I'm saying? Barks at you, you know? And my steering wheel went to the left when that shit jumping. Fuck was that about? I'm right here. I'm outside? Yeah, I'm pulling in right now. Alright, that wraps up that first video. I didn't do too much. I mean, there's a lot more stuff I want to show. A lot more stuff I want to do. It's something slight just to get you a little, get your little toes in the water, you know what I'm saying? Get your little tip. Tell me how that feels, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, do more pulls, do a little 0 to 60. I'm gonna do all type of shit. Just stay tuned. And those are all light pulls. Those ain't no full pulls. That ain't no. Oh look. No, I'm gonna show you some pat pads. I'm gonna show you some pat pads tomorrow. I'm gonna show you some 0 to 60 tomorrow. Now we're really gonna get cracking into the times. We're really gonna get cracking into what we rocking under the engine. What we really cracking with that transmission. I'm gonna show you guys what we bout. You know what I'm saying? So just stay tuned with this Jeep. This Jeep SRTs. They hit different. Drive one to see. You know what I'm saying? Drive one to see. Just wait. I ended up just giving me a little haircut today. Changed up the little facial, you know what I'm saying? Not looking all scruffy no more, you know what I'm saying? And I was just editing up this video, so I'm gonna focus up on next week and this content I'm gonna be putting out tomorrow. So if you really like this video, if you like a little bit of it, it's gonna be more spicy. Definitely more spice down the road, you know what I'm saying? It's a little spice. If you want some more spice, hit that like, hit that sub, and I'm gonna catch y'all next week.